वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं सिराज बात कर रही हूँ।
You guys are live.
We are excited and happy to present to you multiple awards this morning. Congratulations. Thank you. You have won second place in the drink category. Second place in the main course category. And first place, overall food.
The kids, the youth who perform, there are some of them are here. Whoever are here, please come on stage. Big hand, please. So, we pretty much clean sweep the whole heritage. Alhamdulillah, all the awards from food category to hosting, best chair, best culture performance, best drink, and overall best food. So all 5 categories, Pakistan pretty much clear. So thank you all.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.